Did you hear that? Once you embody this, it's game over. You create out of nothing. As a creator, as an entrepreneur, whatever you want to name yourself, it doesn't matter. You create out of nothing. There's no certainty, there's no known, there's no plan laid out, that every step just laid out for you and you just follow like a certain path. And then you're gonna reach that goal, or you're gonna reach that self-expression. It's none of it. It's the embracing the unknown and create out of nothing where all the magic happens. And yet you're scared to step into that because it's fucking scary. What's gonna happen? Who's gonna judge me? How I'm gonna look like? What people are gonna say if I post that tweet, that video? Yeah, no, but you need to have a plan, you need to have a business plan, and you need to prove that, plan needs to be laid out to reach the goal. Nothing was ever created that way. Because if there was, everything would be certain, there would be no excitement and you would not be here on earth. I just had a conversation with my wife today when we were having lunch. And I told her that my goal is to work with a small amount of clients who pay me per year 6 figures, more than $100,000 for a year to work with them. And she just stopped, but you are no one. Your name is not known. See, your family members, your partners, your wife, whatever, parents, they're gonna tell you these things to challenge you. Or they don't see what you see because they cannot see what you see, obviously. And my wife, she's an entrepreneur. She works and she has her own business, but she's very Taurus energy. She knows, she feels, she needs to have concrete evidence for it. For her, it's, I want to see before I believe. Show me and then I believe. I work the opposite way. I believe so that I can see. I see so it manifests, it physicalizes in the physical form. Way before it happens now, I see everything in advance. That's how you get to create out of nothing. And that's the beauty of it. I get it, if you come from a corporate background, used to work in corporate, or if you're already a business owner who making 6 to 7 figures, maybe more, you know how it works. And you know the transition, how it feels to stepping into the unknown and everything is just hanging, yet everything is moving. If you're at that level, if you already achieved some sort of results, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you are not, and if you just want to step into that, well, that's the step you want to take. It just happens. Because you see what others don't see way ahead. And maybe you are seeing that within. But, oh, I need to make evidence. So I need to have first, then I can do so I can be. It's the wrong order. Everything ties down back to beingness. Everything comes from beingness. The doing comes from being. The having comes from being. Everything occurs from beingness. And that's the entire work you get to do. Work on your own being. Not even work, but to embody and embody more. Because once you embody your beingness, you are still. You are unshakable. Or if you watch my other videos, undeniable! And before I go on a trench here, I've created an imitation form for you, which I will put the link down below this video. And I want you to go through that form where you're gonna feel the energy to work with me. You see, you cannot be with evidence that you need proof of something. You just need to create out of nothing. You need to step into that unknown and really work from nothing. Because you see, you've been trained to follow the certain path. Go to school, get a good job, work in corporate, wear that suit, wear that Rolex, have a nice car paid by the company, and then I've got a life. But you know, it's bullshit. It's total bullshit. I'm not saying that everybody meant for entrepreneurship. It's not for everyone. I agree, it's not for everyone. And those people who have their jobs, nothing wrong with them. It's their own life. But you would be not watching this video if you would not want to self-express your own self. That essence within you, that own signature which wants to come through you, and it speaks to you 24/7. You get to step into that unknown. And that's why I created a short invitation form for you to go through and see how you feel. I put there some questions for you to lose yourself and to see the possibility of co-creating together. I put the link down below. Check it out. Nothing was created out of certainty. Nothing on this earth and beyond. But your family, your close environment, they want to make you believe that only following a certain plan or only following certain steps, the certainty, that's the way to get it. But it's not the way to get it. Why not to be unreasonable? Uncertainable, if any word exists like this. Because you see, I can lose everything today. Yes, I will feel the pain. For sure, I will feel like, oh, okay, I feel it. It's painful. But how I can grow out of this, what I can do now, what beingness I need to embody now to make a change. Because if you tie back everything, if you really think of this, beingness is the only thing you have. And it's free. You don't have to pay for that. It is there by default. You made by beingness. You are a multi-dimensional being. That's what the soul is. And you can tell me all your bullshit. Oh, but the church is telling me this. I saw this New Age teacher is telling me this. Oh, let's go back to the past and trauma. You can do that. Yeah, it works. But nothing will work until your beingness is working. You can read a bunch of books, you can watch gazillion YouTube videos about it, but it just won't work. Your embodiment and how you own your signature, that you remember actually, you don't learn anything, you remember that, you step into that again, and then you remember, everything shifts. Because then you're gonna say, oh, I literally create out of nothing. It's better than any drug or any substance you can have. Nor that I tried any of those. I'm not. I don't need. I have my wife, I love my wife, I love my beingness, and I run by source energy. From within, from my beingness. That's my source. Which you get to remember and embody, re-embody again. You got it? I think you do. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Like, subscribe, and let's grow this channel so more people can hear these raw, unfiltered expressions. Talk to you soon.